Hi, Bear Brothers. Cleaning here, Alabama's most thorough cleaning service. Want to know what a real deep clean looks like? Let us show you. Most cleaning services cut corners, but we follow a detailed 44-step deep cleaning checklist that covers every inch of your home. Nothing gets missed. Our comprehensive checklist covers everything. In the kitchen, we clean all appliances, wipe counters, dust cabinets, scrub sinks, and mop floors. Bathrooms get spotless. Toilets, showers, tubs, mirrors, and vanities thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. But we don't stop there. Bedrooms. We vacuum, dust all furniture and light fixtures, wipe tables, clean baseboards, straighten beds, and even change sheets if you provide them. Living areas. Cushions fluffed, furniture dusted, vacuuming, mopping, and spot cleaning windows. We clean closets, pantries, empty trash cans, and those often forgotten baseboards in every room. From top to bottom, nothing is overlooked. This is what professional-grade deep cleaning looks like. Consistent, thorough, and guaranteed. Every home gets the same meticulous attention to detail. Ready for a truly deep clean? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com. Experience our 44-step checklist difference.